Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money online using Instagram, and I'll share with you a number of methods because this method it's simple, it's easy and it's 100% free to get started with. All this method will take is a little bit of time to get this set up. Once you've got this up and running, you can realistically do this with less than 10 minutes a day. So if you don't have a lot of time and you're looking for a simple and an easy way to make money online, this video will show you everything you need to know. So let's look at method number one. But if I come over here onto Instagram, so this is a profile page, and you can see here this is all around brain training for dogs. And if I scroll down here, you can see they've only done 200 posts, yet they've got nearly 3,000 followers. If I scroll down here, you can see this is the sort of content that they're uploading. It's not difficult, it's not hard. So how would they be doing this? Well, it's not just in this this brain training for dogs. You can do this in any category or any niche. But let's just say, for argument's sake, we want to create a page around training dogs or training animals. We could do this in a number of ways. So the first one is we'd need some images and videos like these ones on here. So to do this, we would go over to Google and we would just type in free stock footage. Okay, then we get hundreds of websites. You can see we've got Pixabay, Pexels and many more, but let me go into this one here and I'll show you basically how it all works. So we go into here and we just type in, let's just say we're going with dogs, so we'll go with dogs, and at the minute it's on videos. So if I hit on enter, it will bring up all of the videos that I can use related to that keyword. Okay, so if you scroll down here, look, there's all of these videos. These are all free for you to download. If I come up here and I change this to images or photos, I've then got a bunch more. Okay, and if I go up here, you can go through and change this to any of these that you want basically. And then all you do is you scroll through and you download the ones that you want. The next thing that we're going to need for this, if we're going to any Instagram page, let's go into this one here, and we're going to scroll down, you can see they've got all of these hashtags. So hashtags are really important on Instagram. So you'd need to know the correct hashtags to be using for each post or each image that you're uploading. So for this, you can go on Google and just type in Instagram hashtags generator. Now I use one called, where's it gone? This one here, all hashtag. Now this again is absolutely free to use this piece of software here. So in here you can go for top hashtags, random or live. So I'm just going to go on here and let's just type in dogs and we'll click on top and generate. So what this is going to do is, if we scroll down the page in a second, look here, it gives us 30 hashtags with our keyword dogs inside of here. If I scroll further on the page here, we've got similar hashtags. So you can go ahead and have a look at, similar ones. And then scroll down, you've also got similar keywords as well. And again, this resource here, this is absolutely free. So this is called all hashtag. So we've got our hashtags. We've also got our images and our videos. So then all we do is we go over to Instagram, we create an account and we start uploading our images like they're doing over here. Now, the reason why I've specifically gone for this account here, this brain training for dogs, is they're making money with affiliate marketing. And how they're doing this is, you see here where it says Linktree, this is a link inside of their bio. So if I click on that, watch what happens here. It takes me over to this page here. If I click on this, watch, it's then taking me over to this page here. And you notice up here it says ClickBank. So this is the sales page, and basically if I was to go ahead and purchase this product now, the owner of this Instagram account here, they would earn an affiliate commission for doing so. How much would they earn? Well, guess what? They would earn, if I come over here, they would earn, where is it? If we click on instant access, it takes me over to the buy page. I'm in the UK, so look, it's UK pricing. So they would earn 75% commission for this product here. Now, let me just come off there and come here. So how are they doing this? Well, basically, all they're doing is they're using a platform like ClickBank They come in here, signing up for free. On the left hand side here, you've got categories and niches, so you can go into any one of these and you can find products that you want to basically become an affiliate for. So if I click on home and garden, we're going to animal care and pets. If I scroll up here, this product here is this one here, look, brain training for dogs. So if I wanted to become an affiliate for that, I click on promote, and then I get, where's it gone? Here, I get my link here. And if I click on generate hop link, I get a link that I can use to promote. Okay, so look, you see that there? That is my link. So now, if we go back over to Instagram, this person here, they've got this short link. So over on this here, what they're doing is, instead of sending people directly over to the sales page, they're sending them to this basically, it's called a bridge page, or like an in-between page before they send them over to the actual product. So all they're doing here is, you can see Linktree. So if I just do this, look, and again, this is free. Click on here. Look, the only link you will ever need, get started for free. So let me log into here and I'll show you how this works. So quickly log in. And again, this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for this at all. So inside of Linktree here, let me just sign in for you. And again, it takes about 30 seconds. So inside of Linktree here, you can create a button. So you see where it says add a new link, we click on there. Let me just get rid of that. So we click on add a new button, okay, or add a new link. It goes down here. Where it says URL, you click on there and you paste that, oh, not that one. We paste that long, ugly link here that we got from ClickBank, okay? And we put that into here. And then we give it a title. So we type in here, so we type in something like awesome training for dogs, okay? And then click there, and then look, it goes over here, awesome training for dogs. Now obviously this is my account, so you wouldn't you'd have a different logo up here and you'd have a different username, but this is how it works, okay? So if I click on my Linktree now, let me open that up in a new tab. Look, awesome training for dogs. So I would create an account on Instagram. I would have my Linktree link here, like so, which would be this one up here. Anyone clicks on there and they click on here, look, it sends them over to watch. It sends them over to the product over on ClickBank with my tracking ID up here. So I would earn 75% commissions for anyone who purchased that product. And look, that's just one example over on here. There's many more ways that you can make money over on Instagram. This method here, we're looking at simply creating content like this, uploading simple images and videos, and we find an affiliate product over on ClickBank, or you can do this with Amazon or eBay partner network. It doesn't really matter. Have our link down here which sends people over to a landing page which is free, like this one, and then we send that traffic to the actual sales page. That's one way you can make money with Instagram. Another way what you can do is you can build up these pages like this in any category or any niche, and if after a while you get fed up with it or you don't want to do it anymore, you can simply go ahead and sell that account. So a website where you can do this is this one over here. It's called FameSwap, and you can see here you can buy Instagram accounts and you can buy YouTube channels as well. But you can literally list your accounts on here for sale. And another method what you can do is, if you come over here, you can actually buy accounts. So you see this one here, excuse me, this account here, it's got coming up to 365,000 followers. They're selling this account for $5,000. So you could actually purchase, if you've got the money, obviously, you could purchase an account like this. You could go in, you could find different affiliate links and different affiliate products related to the actual Instagram account, and you could monetize it that way. You could also send the traffic from Instagram to a Facebook group, and you could, share relevant products to, whatever your account is about, and you can make money that way. You can also go down the proper route of affiliate marketing if you wanted to start capturing people's emails and, sending them over to a blog and lots more. And look, if you want a free resource for affiliate marketing, check the link down below. I've got a completely free course which walks through all of this in a lot more detail and in depth. But look, that is how you make money on Instagram, and all of these resources are completely free. So you can get your images from platforms like this one, you can get your hashtags from these ones here, and obviously Instagram itself is free to sign up with. So what will it take? A little bit of time and effort and consistency. And the thing as well with Instagram is you can now schedule your posts. So you could sit down for an hour and schedule out a week or 2 weeks worth of posts, and then you basically you're done with it. So look, I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please give it a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.